welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand top loader washing machine. This machine having problem with the lid. It is already lid safety glass already broken. Now we have to replace the lid which is broken glass. But the thing is separately we are not able to find out by the company also not supplying only the glass. This glass is special tempered glass. Because of that we have to replace whole set, that's been full lid assemble. Now I'm going to replace this lid. Now I'm going to show you how to replace that one, and we will go to the next process. You can see, dear friends, this glass already broken here. All the parts are here. Some of the parts I removed from the tub assemble. Now we have to replace this one, because this one customer not doesn't like to use, because he can use, but it is not safe. Because of that, now we are going to replace this one. Now I have to show you how to replace this lid, and this one here, the latch, two latches are here, lid holding latch. This two here we have to remove. After that we can take it out. Very careful we have to do this job. Now I will show you how to do that. Now here you can see here this cover, this two covers we have to remove very careful. This because this here is go this side two locks and here locked. Because of that we have to remove very careful like that. I will show you. Don't break while you are going to remove. It will come like that. You can see here this lock we cannot push. Because of that we have to pull out. We have to take like that only. Here this one also same. This way you can pull out little bit. Very careful we have to do this job, otherwise this will get break. Because of that, now you can see here two locks. Now we have to remove these two screws from the latch. It's like that we can remove. Also this side also same. Now it's okay. All four screws are we removed. I removed already. Now what we can do? Now we have to little bit take it out like that. You can see here. Very slowly we have to do this one. It's like that. It will come. Also this one also same. Here this side also same. Now you can see here, it's already came, both a latch. Now we can take it out like that. Also we can remove. You can see, dear friends, this one, it should be the tension. Actually it is no any damage. We can use as same. This both are same, both are it's okay, no any damage. Now we have to replace this one, but the problem, you know, it's very difficult to find out only the glass. This is special glass. This is tempered glass. You can see it here. We are not able to, actually we cannot fix, because we are not able to find out. This is like a oval shape, also tempered glass. Because of that we have to replace whole full set. Now I'm going to replace this set. After that our problem will get resolved. Now I found same glass. This one, it is same glass actually. You can see here it is the same glass. Now we can replace this one. This one also diamond tempered glass LG. Now how we remove like that, same way we have to fix like that. You can see here. Now I have to fix 2 locks, otherwise 2 lead latch. Now it's not changing actually. I add little bit grease also here. This one right side will come. It's like that. We can enter here. Yeah, it will come like that. Other side also same. I add here also grease. Yeah, it will come like that. Yes friends, it is easy job. Now I have to fix screws to that will come here. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. You can see here. Now okay dear friends. Now we have to fix 2 locks. Now we have to fix cover. It should be actually a good cover, otherwise if will water go, this latch it will get damaged. Because of that lid latch lid hinge, we have to safely, we have to close properly. Now this is the way how to close, and we have to enter here 2 locks. After that we have to press only. You can see here, it's like that. We have to press, it will come lock. It's like that. It will come lock. This side also same. It will come here, and we have to press. Now it's okay. Now our job already completed, but we have to clean here. All the glass pieces are here. The broken glass pieces everywhere. We have to remove this one. Actually I already removed, but still remaining pieces are there. We have to remove. After that our job will be complete. Now we will give the power connection, and machine is running well. Yes dear friends, our job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.